Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ajazz X068 Pro Mechanical Keyboard. Ajazz X068 Pro Alice redefines ergonomic design with its innovative 65% Ergo Alice layout, divided into two intuitive halves, each perfectly contoured for natural hand placement. It transforms typing into a comfortable and efficient experience. Unique features such as the single-touch key and split spacebar are tailored for balance and ease. The gasket mounting system of Ajazz X068 Pro allows you to experience a whole new pleasure of typing. This innovative design allows the keyboard to float inside the case without the need for screws and provides a uniform typing feel. Coupled with sound-absorbing materials such as silicone and cotton foam, every keystroke becomes whisper soft. Number 2. FEKER Alice 75 Mechanical Keyboard. Ergonomic body design always guards the health. The keyboard in the middle of the arch 3 degrees slope, the perfect match for the palm of the hands of the natural placement of the slope using the key's transition fan-shaped structure. More ergonomic design suitable for the fingers since the fight to reduce the probability of accidental contact. Split design, so that the hands naturally placed on the keyboard, easy to type suitable for blind typing, reduce the injury of accidental contact. Different shafts can be replaced to customize the sound and feel of your keyboard. The large keys in the keyboard have newly tuned satellite shafts to ensure a smoother feel on all major keys. Number 3. Ergonomic Wireless Silent Split Keyboard. The wireless keyboard has 4 adjustable tilt legs, allowing you to customize the keyboard to 3 different tilt levels. This design aims to improve comfort and reduce pain in the hands and wrists. The design of the wrist brace aims to gently support your wrist, mimicking holding it in hand to prevent pain caused by bending the wrist. By maintaining a comfortable wrist position in various postures, this feature helps improve focus on tasks. The 15 independent multimedia shortcut keys on the computer keyboard can simplify your work. These hotkeys are very useful when you want to quickly access features such as email or calculator. No complicated operation is required, just press one of the hotkeys, and the corresponding function will immediately turn on or off. Number 4. Delux GM901D Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Ergonomic curved layout gives you a more relaxed, natural typing experience without fatigue over long hours working. More wrist support gives your wrists a lift, and reduces strain and discomfort. Keycap fits your finger pulp perfectly, brings you a fluid and ultra-precise typing experience with no compromise in speed and accuracy. Pictures are for reference only. Product may vary slightly from pictures. Microsoft, Windows XP/Windows 7/Windows 8/Windows 10 are registered trademarks of Microsoft Corporate in US or other countries. The trademarks are their own. Image and text are just for illustration. Number 5. Mofii Ergonomic Keyboard. The wireless ergonomic keyboard features with curved and split keyframe design, which helps to position your wrist and forearm in a more natural, relaxed posture. Scooped keys perfectly match the shape of your fingertips, offering quick response with every keystroke. Premium comfort for all-day typing. Curved palm rest with soft memory foam layer offers typing comfort with more wrist support, less wrist bending compared to standard keyboard without palm rest. Adjustable tilt design positions the keyboard at a perfect angle to keep your wrist relaxed and comfortable whether seated or standing.